Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, as you can tell based on the title of this video, I've got an unboxing for you guys. So I got something in the mail, and yeah, I've been kind of obsessed with buying SLGs from this brand lately. I couldn't resist. I think I'm done. I think I got to tell myself I'm good. I'm actually pretty content, and that's kind of why I decided to do this. So here it is, Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I just wanted to take this as a time to, as I'm not really wanting to buy a whole lot of clothing at the moment. I don't feel like really inspired to buy those like accessories and little things that I've always wanted to get. Look at this, so pretty. I love the little detailing here. But yeah, just really take the time to take this as a moment to invest in kind of the things that I've always wanted to invest in, but I was like, okay, it can wait. It's not really a big deal. Like, it's just not a priority right now. Like, I always feel like I get sucked into like wanting to buy clothing or shoes, which is like, that's it, like shoes and clothing. I do like to buy shoes, but I just haven't felt the same about clothes. So I've definitely been splurging a little bit on like these little SLG kind of things. So yeah, here we are. So here it is. Maybe you can, I didn't really mention this as something that was something on my wish list, but it was almost like something I've always wanted to add. So here's the lovely dust bag. Oh my gosh, it's so flippin' adorable. Here it is. Okay, so it is this lovely sort of like cosmetic case, and kind of like the most ridiculous splurge. I almost like kind of, not that I regret this purchase, by like regretted like the transaction after, but I was like, I can't believe I just spent that much money on a cosmetic bag. However, it's one of those things where it's like, it's timeless, it's forever. If I'm gonna have a cosmetic case, I'm gonna have this. Like, I've definitely purchased cosmetic cases in the past. I have one that I purchased from Ted Baker last year, and it was like just not moldable. It's like that like jelly material they like to use, and it was just like, yeah, this isn't very good. Whereas this I can just like throw in my bag, and yeah, I just wanted something of this exact size. Let's see here, actually. Coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. So this one is made in France. For some people, that's something they care about. If I had something made wherever else, I wouldn't really care. But like, this was purchased from the website too. Like, I'm in Canada, I purchased from the website, getting made in France. Everything I've purchased within the past little like couple months has been made in France. Definitely my experience with Louis Vuitton online has been really good. I haven't had any issues. Like, everything looks really good in terms of like the quality of this. Like, it just, I know some people have like bad experiences or just need to have that in-store experience. I really don't care, frankly. I'm like, I just want the product and I just want to be able to use it. I just want to be able to throw it in my bag and just like get on with my life kind of thing. But yeah, this was an insanely expensive purchase, but like, it's so nice. And yeah, I know in the future I'm going to be using this quite a bit. For reasons I'll tell you a little bit later about. I don't know if I'm gonna like talk about that now, but yeah, anyways, going on a bit of a rant here. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.